It's time!
It's time!
It's time to milk a cow!
It's time to milk a cow!
So, one. So, wash your hands!
Wash your hands!
Wash your hands!
Wash your hands!
You can have the kids go and wash their hands before. So everyone, welcome to Let's Milk a Cow. Check out our previous tutorial on how we've done this. But first thing, they can go wash their hands, or you can just say, wash your hands.
Wash your hands!
Good.
Good!
Okay. Now, two. Oh. We're going to clean the udder.
Clean the udder.
And you pass it, okay? Clean the udder.
Clean the udder.
Clean Clean the udder.
Clean the udder.
Clean the udder. Clean the udder.
Clean the udder. Clean the udder.
Okay, clean the udder. Good. Okay. Now, where is the bucket?
Where is
the
the bucket?
Here? No.
Here.
Bucket. Bucket. Yes. Okay. So you say, take the bucket.
Take
Take.
the bucket.
Okay. Take the bucket.
Take the bucket. Take the bucket.
Take the bucket. Take the bucket.
Take the bucket.
Place the bucket.
Place the bucket.
Okay, excellent. Don't move. You can have one kid who places the bucket and one kid who is going to squeeze the udder, okay? Squeeze the udder. So, now's the moment where you pop one of the udder. So, we're using a paper clip for this, a needle, anything else will work. So, let's pop the udder. Okay. Oh, just... It's just a tiny bit. So,
It's milk.
one kid, can you hear it? One kid has the bucket, and oh yeah, that's a crazy lesson, but it's gonna be a lot of fun with your kids. And we say, squeeze the udder. I want squeeze the udder.
Squeeze the udder.
Squeeze the udder. So now you tell me.
Squeeze the udder.
Okay.
Squeeze. Squeeze.
Yeah. And I say, take the bucket.
Take the bucket.
Okay. Squeeze the udder. Squeeze the udder.
Squeeze the udder.
Okay.
Take the bucket.
No, wait. I tell you, sorry, my bad. Take the bucket.
Okay. Squeeze the udder.
Squeeze the udder.
Yes, okay.
Take the bucket.
Squeeze the udder.
Squeeze the udder.
Squeeze, 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 squeeze.
Have everyone get a chance to squeeze the udder, okay? And at the end, because what we have right now is water, but maybe if we had put a little bit of white paint in it, it would have looked like milk. You can of course do this with real milk, but honestly, it's gonna stick, it's gonna stink. So your choice, but honestly, that's a pretty fun activity to do with small kids. So have fun with this, tell us how it went, and yeah, just have fun. Bye everyone, bye!
Bye.
Squeeze the udder! Squeeze!